Hey guys, it's Amber Scholl, and today I'm doing more of Google's most answered, what was it? Obviously this is another parody because clearly I am not famous enough to do this at all. It doesn't even say Google on this. So I had my team put this together and I'm going to answer some more of the web's most Googled questions about me, even though I can't believe anyone ever Googles me. Here we go, are you ready? Does Amber Scholl know Drake? I thought this was the most Googled questions. I mentioned in a video once I did go to a party with him one time and he was very nice and I did tell him I liked his music and he did kiss me on the cheek, so actually maybe I do know him. No, I'm kidding. He has no idea who I am. I only met him that literal one time, but nice guy. I haven't washed my cheeks since. No. Obviously had those like 7 years ago. All right, anyways. Can Amber Scholl play the harp? Y'all really gonna attack me like this on the google.com? No, I cannot play the harp. I did buy a harp, which I guess is even weirder. I just love old instruments and home decor. The plan is to learn to play a song. I didn't learn yet. Does Amber Scholl have a baby? No, I hope not. I just have my fur baby George, that's it. Can Amber Scholl speak Russian? Do not translate that. Unfortunately, that's the only thing I can say. So, niet. No, I cannot speak Russian, though I am German Russian. That is true. Maybe someday I'll learn some more. What happened to Amber Scholl's new house? Okay, so T, I bought my new place back in May, actually. Basically, it's a whole thing. I'm still waiting on permits and materials are backlogged, but I promise you the series will start in the new year. Construction should begin and it will be all ready to go. Was Amber Scholl on Criminal Minds? Yeah, I was. That's me. People tweet me this photo all the time and a bunch of other photos. Back when I was driving for Postmates and before I did YouTube, my other career was being in the background of stuff. So if you ever see me, yes, it's me. A star. I think in this episode I was like brutally murdered or something terrifying. So anyways, good times. Is Amber Scholl, oh my God, this is falling apart. Is Amber Scholl Vegas? What is this supposed to say? Vegan. No. I am a vegetarian, so I don't eat meat or fish or anything, but I love cheese. I love a good omelet, a quiche, you know, ice cream, the good stuff. Is Amber Scholl really like that? What y'all mean? I don't know what this means, but if it's a good thing, yes, and if it's not, no. How about that? Honestly, I'm assuming this question means more of like what people often ask me, which is, am I really the way that I am in my videos in real life? And the answer is, yeah, this is me. I am just as crazy on the internet as I am in real life. In fact, I think you should know that in real life, I'm even crazier. So there's that. Does that terrify you? It should. Does Amber Scholl? I wish I like could do this better. I broke it. Does Amber Scholl have a boyfriend? No. Amber Scholl is still single. I'm not dating any of my friends or anyone you have seen ever in a video with me, but I will tell you this, my real love life has never ever been on camera. So there you go. Does Amber Scholl, oh my God, I just like broke the whole thing. Sorry. Does Amber Scholl have a job? No. YouTube is my job. I get asked this a lot. I also, of course, sell jewelry. Shout out to myself. Truth be told, I would do this even if I wasn't getting paid a dime. But yes, this is what I get to do for a living. God bless. How old is Amber Scholl? You'll never know because I have so much Botox, it is undetectable. I was born in 1993. It's gonna be so weird to tell my kids someday. It sounds like ancient history now. 28 years fabulous. Does Amber Scholl practice witchcraft? Maybe. I plead the fifth. No, No, I do think if I were alive in the time of the witch trials, I for sure would have been burned at the stake and accused of practicing witchcraft. Probably just because, you know, I do practice the manifesting idea that you can create your own universe kind of with your own thoughts and actions. And in a way, I suppose I do, actually. I mean, I don't make spells and stuff, but I do kind of do stuff like that. So no, but also maybe kind of a little bit. Is Amber Scholl divorced? Not yet. No, I'm not even married. I'm not divorced. Though someone did send me this once, which was like some Wikipedia thing. I don't even know. But this is what it said. That had me like losing my mind laughing. So yeah, anyways, no, not divorced. I would like to get married someday, though. Just seems nice. Is Amber Scholl engaged? No, I am not. I did buy myself an engagement ring. You guys saw that. I wear it every day. It's hard to see because, again, I don't understand lighting. But consider it engaged to myself, I suppose. Again, this is clearly unprofessional. I don't even know how to adjust the lighting so you can see the questions. But there are questions on here, so. Okay, what is Amber Scholl's zodiac sign? Oh, have I never talked about that? In case you don't know, I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to guess. Are you ready? If you guessed Leo, that's right. I am a true and true sun sign Leo. I'm actually a Gemini rising and a Gemini moon. Leo Gemini sandwich, which explains why I am insane. Makes interesting content though, so pass that on that. What else do you guys want to know? Does Amber Scholl have parents? Yes. Both my parents have actually been in my videos before, y'all fake fans. No, I'm kidding. Yes, I have a mom, I have a dad, I have 2 sisters. I got a whole little white picket fence family. My parents are probably watching, so hi mom, hi dad. Love ya. Thanks for being my parents. Did Amber Scholl drop out of high school? No, I did not drop out of high school. I know in my videos I'm always using like the same 3 vocabulary words. Cute, amazing, fun, haha. It's just because I get too excited when I'm at the mall and forget that I like actually have a very extensive vocabulary. We can have high level conversations bemusing political propaganda offline, but you know, online, I'm gonna tell you shoes are cute. That's that. It's like a hair on this. My channel gets more professional by the day. Did Amber Scholl... Oh my God. Did Amber Scholl really win The Price is Right? Yeah. People ask me this all the time. Yes, that was real. I actually did win the show for real. So yeah, that was real. Yeah. Did Amber Scholl go to jail? No. What do y'all know that I don't know? No, I have never been to jail. Does someone think I went to jail? I think everyone I've ever gone out with in my life has been to jail or prison. I actually have a list on my phone of reasons that men I went out with went to jail. I have it on here somewhere. Do you guys see it? Men I've gone out with, jail list. Grand theft auto, government trespassing, drug dealing, bringing knife to school. My personal favorite is throwing ham at a bouncer. That shit took me out. I love a good jail story. So funny. Did Amber Scholl go to fashion design school? No, I did not. I actually went to college and got a degree in journalism. Well, literally all of my outfits are just things that I dream up in my head and just make. I mean, you've seen me make them. They're not professional at all. It's like me using a glue gun and scissors. So yeah, I do have a very dreamy imagination though. So I think if I went to fashion school, I could probably be a very cool couture designer. Someday. Can Amber Scholl drive? I have been driving since I was 15 and a half. People ask me this a lot though. I don't know. I'm always driving in my videos, so I'm not sure why people think I can't drive, but yes, I can. I have a license. I've only gotten like 1 speeding ticket. I'm a good driver, so. Does Amber Scholl have a savings account? People always make fun of me for spending my money poorly. Yes, it is my personal financial motto that if you want it, you should buy it. I have been saying this since 2016, even when I had $1 to my name. I have $1 in the bank, but if you want it, buy it. It's my motto. It's not a good motto, but it's fun. If it's a part of your core beliefs, you just never change. I prefer to spend money, but yes, I do have a savings account. Is Amber Scholl certified? In what? No. I think I used to be a certified scuba diver, but that was like 15 years ago, so I think that probably expired. I'm not a certified makeup artist, if that's what you're asking. I'm not like a certified home renovation person. You guys really shouldn't be taking advice from me at all on anything. I'm not actually certified or licensed in actually anything. Honestly, I'm just a non-professional everything. I'm a certified bad bitch though. I do what I want all the time. And that's that on that. Self-certified. I'm gonna print myself a certificate later. Okay. Oh, that's all for this one. Where's the other board? Clearly not certified at doing this. Bootleg everything. Okay, I'm not even wearing pants. Did Amber Scholl write a book? No, but she's writing one. This is so weird to talk about myself in third person. I have been talking about writing a book for years. I have been writing one. All the little things you see me post on my Instagram sometimes are little snippets and excerpts of things that will be in it someday. Just like the song, the rest is still unwritten. So, yes, being an author is on the vision board very soon. I'm working on it. Did Amber Scholl date Post Malone? I wish. I'm guessing this is probably because I use his photos a lot in my videos. He is one of my celebrity crushes. I just love him. I think I've told this story before, but the funniest thing that's ever happened to me on the internet, of all time really, I think, was one day out of the clear blue sky, Post Malone followed me. So I sent him like the world's thirstiest DM. And he unfollowed me. So, shoot your shot, ladies. So no, I did not date Post Malone. That's not to say I didn't try. And I'm not still trying. Hey baby, call me. Okay. Is Amber Scholl really psychic? Ooh. Kind of. Not to get too woohoo on you or anything, but not like That's So Raven. Like I don't see crystal clear images, but yes, on some level, I do know what is going to happen before it happens. My mom actually has it too, but it's kind of like visions of the idea of the future. I always knew I was gonna win the lottery. I did end up winning the lottery via YouTube. Even as a young kid, I used to say that I wanted to have a voice to speak to a lot of people and be heard. And when I was 5, I'm not really sure what I meant by that, but look what I'm doing now. So not to scare you, but kind of. Are Amber Scholl, oops, I pulled off 2 of them. Is that okay? I guess so, because this isn't even real. What happened to Amber Scholl's Girls Guide to Life videos? Oh yeah. In the beginning of the year, I did do a bunch of meaningful deep talk videos. I love doing videos like that. Honestly, I think the reason that I really have a YouTube channel is like to do stuff like that. I stopped doing them a few months ago just because they were really taking an emotional toll on me. Also, as soon as I have something else deep to talk about, we'll be coming back shortly. Are Amber Scholl's boobs real? I'm pretty sure I answered this in the last version of this that I did, and the answer is yes. I know people need to just keep asking because they're too perfect to possibly be real, but yes, these are natural double Ds. I got it from my mama. That was amazing. Like, comment, subscribe for more fake interviews. I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna go Google why you guys Googled this. Till next time, XO. Mwah. I love you. It's so professional. I'm just like in my house. I put up my Christmas tree already. I know it's November. Whatever. It's also like 9 p.m. Okay. Anyways, bye.